Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make any laptop 200% faster just like a brand new PC. Right click on Start button, click on Settings, click on Update and Security, click on Advanced option, click on Delivery Optimization, allow download from other PCs turn off, click on Exit. Right click on Start button again, click on Run, type services.msc, click on OK. Right click on SYS main and click on Properties. Make startup type disabled, click on Apply, click on OK, click on Exit. Right click on Start button, click on Task Manager, click on Startup. Look for any application which is unwanted and just disable it.